Good morning, all. Happy Wednesday, December 6th. Miss A here. So, yesterday you were asked to gather evidence to write an explanatory essay. I was told that you struggled to find evidence. I will try to support you today through this PowerPoint. Today you will begin planning your explanatory essay. It is a summative grade. It is due Friday. Today you will plan using a graphic organizer. Tomorrow you will write. Friday you will revise your writing and submit the essay. Next week we are starting a new text, so this is the end of the plays. So you will be using the plays to gather evidence, both the plays and the timeline.